This is the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Stop, fish. And what I want to do is, and there is no reason for me to do anything else to put pure video mode on the Luna Ultra. Show you what the Insta360 Luna Ultra looks like, the different. I cannot wait for the Ace Pro 3 to come out because it's going to be the exact of the Luna Ultra as well as the X6. We got the same motorcycle that he goes super slow for the reasons of his muffler through the neighborhood. And here he comes, getting ready to go gadget. Hey, I'm Fish. Man, I got a lot to do. I got a Extra Edge Pro coming, and I have, you got it, an X6 as well. I'll probably put it out before I put out my schedules. I'm going to be switching on over to the Luna Ultra. Oh, new pumps. Nice and lit. I haven't used my Ace Pro 2 in a long time. And are you excited that the Extra Muse 2 Pro can be in your possession if they just simply release the camera to the public? The microphone, the Mic Pro, it turned on the camera. It did not connect to the Luna Ultra. I had to go into the settings, swipe down, over to the left, and press mic and hit connect. And my Ace Pro 2 turned on, and the mic connected to the Luna Ultra. Technology is a funny thing. It does work when it wants to work, and it still needs a couple of updates. Speaking of updates, Extra and as well Insta got with me. And did you know that the Luna Ultra's missing the face bracketing when you use priority post, portrait and matrix? Let's hang out over here and try to capture that. You got it. The Firefly, he's lit up right here. And I cannot turn off low light enhancement. Extra, they got back and they apologize again for the mistake. Oh man, did they apologize for the frustration that I'm having. I'm not frustrated. I'm not the one that's goofing. I asked the question, hey, what are you not telling me that I gotta constantly say I'm updated? So they got back and they said that it's the adult battery. And they're trying to get firmware on there. Well, if it's the adult battery, firmware won't help. Honestly, it's a little bit more than that. And I don't understand how communication works over there. But the Insta360 did get back to me and said, hey, thanks for keeping us updated. And they want to know one thing. They'd like additional information about the battery indicator. I'm sorry, but I have to say it. Well, they want to know if what happens when I unplug the camera. Does the LED go out? I'm laughing for the reasons of. I probably didn't mention that. So they picked on the one little thing that must not be that important to know. So yeah, 0 through 100%. If it stays lit after 100%, no matter where I pull it, the battery indicator goes out. Now, if it's at 100%, the battery indicator goes out. But it's below 100%, and plug it back in. It's got to finish its charge. And it should go out after 2 minutes. But if it stays lit randomly, it'll go out if you pull it. But when you plug it back in, 2 minutes later, it'll shut off. Am I forgetting that I loosen up and adjust the angle, or is it just loosening up? Blue Loctite fish. It's got a washer there. Maybe the washer came out. I don't know. I know there's a plastic washer in these things, and people don't know what those plastic washers are for. Something very simple. Yes, indeed. So let's get on going. I did what I had to do, shared what I had to share, said what I had to say. Maybe I could grab a shot of the bagels I'm picking in the store, if it's not that busy. Let's get on going and complete the vlog.